Hey guys, I know I said I wasn't gonna upload, but I'm just gonna upload a really easy sound you can make to freak out your friends, or it's a really cool sound and really easy, but it's called bubbles. So close to toast does it, so it's, you get this finger, people don't, for people who know how to do this, it's only a lame one for the moment, because I can't really shout, or because my dad's like next door asleep, so put your hand, we'll go. Makes this really bubbly sound, and just keep practicing like that. Look the way out. Basically that's the bubbles, so that's tutorials on the bubbles. I just thought I'd just put that one up quick, you know, just in case people want to do it and all that. But on Friday I'll be putting up tutorial on the throat bass and this sound. Yeah. So keep an eye out on that. Peace out, dudes.